top one says, learn to do right. Seek. Maybe you believe me if I actually showed you. Maybe if you scroll down. Sorry that it's cut off a little bit. But it says, learn to do right, seek justice, defend the oppressed, take up the cause of the fatherless, plead the case of the widow. So if let's see. Let's move this over. There we go. Now you can see it. Now you believe me. That's exactly what it says. Learn to do right, seek justice, defend the oppressed, take up the cause of the fatherless, plead the case of the widow. We're going to see that again. It's going to say that again. Something similar to that. Next, it says, see how the faithful city has become a prostitute? Hey, how's it going? I see you've become a prostitute. No. These are like fighting words. These are honesty words. See how the faithful city has become a prostitute. She once was full of justice. Righteousness used to dwell in her. But now, murderers. Doesn't even give that sentence, doesn't even give it the dignity of making that a whole sentence. Just, but now, murderers. Isaiah 1:27. Zion will be delivered with justice, her penitent ones with righteousness. I'm just going to move this over a bit further. We got another ad break in progress. Ends in 16 minutes. Seconds. The vineyard of the Lord Almighty is the nation of Israel, and the people of Judah are the vines he delighted in. And he looked for justice but saw bloodshed, for righteousness but heard cries of distress. About Isaiah 5:16. But the Lord Almighty will be exalted by his justice, and the holy God will be proved holy by his righteous acts. 5:23. This looks like a continuation of a sentence. So-and-so who acquits the guilty for a bribe. They deny justice to the innocent. Isaiah 9:7. Of the greatness of his government. Oh, this is a familiar passage for this time of year. The greatness of his government and peace there will be no end. He will reign on David's throne and over his kingdom, establishing and upholding it with justice and righteousness from that time on and forever. The zeal of the Lord Almighty will accomplish this. Isaiah 10. To deprive the poor of their rights and withhold justice from the oppressed of my people, making widows their prey and robbing the fatherless. I think that's a bad thing. If you go on. Isaiah 11:4. But with righteousness he will judge the needy. With justice he will give decisions for the poor of the earth. He will strike the earth with the rod of his mouth. With the breath of his lips he will slay the wicked. Justice is important to God. In love a throne will be established. In faithfulness a man will sit on it. One from the house of David, one who is judging, seeks justice, and speeds the cause of righteousness. So, as you can tell, there's a lot. Hey, ukulele for worship! Hey, Gutson the Beautiful! Semi-lurking. One hand on the computer, one hand on your lunch. One eye on the computer, one eye on your lunch. How's it going, Gutson? How's it going, ukulele? Here comes your shout-outs. Hold on, please. Please hold for your shout-outs. We were just going through Isaiah because Isaiah has 30 count them 30 references to justice. If you look up justice in Bible Gateway, you'll see, I'll show you right here. Here we go. Number 30, right there. Some of these books have double digits, not many. Job has 13 mentions of justice, the Psalms have 17, but nobody comes close to 30 in the book of Isaiah. Let's see, I just gave a shout out to Kuleli, and now here's Gutson. There we go. How is everybody? How's Ukulele? How is Gutson? How's your lunch today, Gutson? What are you having? Let me bring this back to where it was. I think it was right there. Ukulele's doing good. Grabbing some food before gift wrapping. Wrapping the gifts. I bought, well, I do have some shopping to do, a little bit of stocking stuffers to grab. Don't have we have old wrapping paper. We might need some new wrapping paper. But yeah, I think this is the best year that I've had so far for shopping. I won't tell. What did you get? So I'll tell you what I got, because my daughter's not here to overhear me. Every year, my daughter asks for Beats headphones, the expensive ones. And why does she ask for them every year? Because the ones that we bought her the year before, either destroyed or stolen or lost or something to that effect. So guess what I got along with the Beats headphones this year? The plan, the service plan. So if anything happens to them, I got that plan. I'm gonna make sure I save all the receipts and the UPC and the box and the whatever they want me to send in to redeem that service plan. You better believe it. It will be saved. I am learning my lesson. Not all my lessons, but this lesson. You know, jingle bells. Ho 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 and all that. Classic. That's it! I would have gone with cheaper headphones. Well, there's a medical need for the real headphones, the Beats headphones. I won't go into that because doxing. I say, just make a decision here. With the light on the lip. And some darkness on the beard. Let's see. She likes to ask for a lot of reruns, like some guitar string trimmers. I was like, I thought I already got you that.